Well, okay. One of the questions was how to discuss raising your rates with an existing long-term client. But it sounds like you already had that conversation.
I did.
Would you share, just for people listening, who will be both Freelance Accelerator students, who I think get a lot of value, as well as our general podcast audience, what was that conversation like? What did you say, and how did that? I mean, because he accepted, or they accepted it. I don't know who you talked to. And you said you were really nervous, but it worked out. So can you share a little bit about how you went into that and what you said?
So I'll share with my existing client how that conversation went.
Yes.
So he was my very first client in March of 2020.
Yeah.
So I'll just quickly explain. So I had just been hired for a full-time job, and then I got let go because of COVID.
Yeah.
And this guy had messaged me in December of 2019 to say, hey, I'd like some help. Are you interested? And it seemed like a great opportunity, but it wasn't full-time. And at the time I was just very, no, all I want is full-time.
Okay.
And I wasn't interested at all. I wasn't even willing to give it a chance.
Yeah.
So when COVID hit, I thought, you know what, let's get in touch with him. And he's been such a great client.
Yeah.
He's so lovely. He's like so understanding about everything. He's just so great to work with. He has given me so many other things that are not necessarily design related, but he wants to give me hours and he wants to continue working with me. So, we have a great relationship. So I knew it would go well. It just was making me nervous to even have the conversation.
Totally fair.
But I just ended up saying to him, look, I really enjoy working with you. Thank you so much for all of these opportunities that you have given me, all of the extra, jobs that you've given me. But I did want to talk to you about my rate because I have raised my rates since I first started working with you. And I'm charging more with my other clients. So, I think that we work well together, and I think that I give you good work and I do it in a timely way, and I would like to continue working with you. So, I was thinking that maybe we could raise my rate to X amount.
Okay. Hourly. Is this hourly?
Yes.
Okay.
Hourly. Yeah. Hourly. Yeah. It's just, for me right now, that's just the easiest way for my brain to work. Like
totally.
the project,
do it.
It just doesn't work for me yet.
Yeah, do it.
And that's how I got sort of messed up with the other client, was because it was more of a project based, and I didn't know how many hours it was going to take. Right.
Yeah. Yeah.
So anyway, he was fine with it.
He just said, yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, he hummed and hawed about some other stuff, but yes, he said, yeah, that was
fine. Well, congratulations on doing it. And I mean, my biggest congratulations is just on taking the initiative to do it. I'm super excited that you got it, but I think that the harder part is like taking the initiative and having the guts and the nerve to be like, okay, I'm going to pull the trigger. I'm going to have this phone call.
Thanks. Yeah. It's that's a bit weird. It's kind of like, a lot of this is, I feel like it's similar to dating in a lot of ways. Where you just have to have difficult conversations. You have to pitch people and see if people are interested. Yeah. I don't know. I'm married.
I haven't dated it since 2003. It's been a while. It's been a hot minute. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
But I feel like this is what people deal with dating, right?
I guess
ghosting
you. Totally. Actually, when you said that, I was thinking about the dating thing. Not that you and I have experienced it anytime recently, but it's definitely a thing. Would you be willing to share your rate that you were at and that you jumped to with him if you're comfortable?
Oh, I was super low with him. When I started, I was $30 US an hour.
Okay. And you're in Canada.
I'm in Canada.
Okay.
So I have some American clients and I have some Canadian clients.
Okay.
He's the one I work with the most. He's in Greensboro. And so now I'm working with most of my clients. I'm up to 60 now. So that's what I'm working with most of my clients.
And did you double him?
No.
Okay. I was going to say that's a big jump. Yeah.
No, I was not. I didn't want to do that to him.
Yeah.
So, and I knew that seemed unreasonable.
Yeah,
so
totally.
I only went up to 40 with him.
Okay.
So I'll probably wait a lot less time before asking again.
Yeah.
Because now I feel like I'm more confident in doing it.
Yeah.
But yeah, so yeah, like it just felt like every time I was starting with a new client, I thought, you know what, I've got more expertise in this now. I feel more comfortable asking for more.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.